Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetStreet.com, and today we are here at the Xiaomi event and we have a new phone with us which has been launched today. This is called Xiaomi Mi 4i, which has been designed for Indian needs, and they have also priced this phone very affordable in terms of the price. It is 12,999, which is approximately 13,000 rupees you pay for this one, and you get very good hardware inside and very good specification, and the build quality is also nice. However, you will get a glossy finish at the back side on this phone, which is not very good because it will not make you actually hold this phone very good in terms of the grip, and it will get a lot of fingerprints and scratches over time. But in case of the camera, when it comes to the rear, we have a 13 megapixel camera, we have the front camera. I'm not finished with this. I need to finish it. Okay, no, I need to finish it. Wait, I need to finish it. I need to finish it, then I can release it.
Just because of people still waiting.
I know that. Just a second.
30 seconds.
Okay. Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetStreet.com, and today we are here at the Xiaomi event and we have the new Xiaomi Mi 4i with us. As you can see, this device has launched at a very affordable price of 13,000 rupees. We have a 13 megapixel camera at the back, 5 megapixel front camera, 16 GB internal memory and 2 GB of RAM. The build quality of the device is good. We have a glossy finish over there. When it comes to the back side, we have a scratch and the back side you have a glossy finish over there. You will get a lot of fingerprints and scratches over there. And on the front you have a 5-inch high definition display, which is a 1080p display. The quality of the device is good, and when it comes to the front camera or the rear camera, let me just take a photo. So this is how the rear camera look like. Thank you. Just a second. So this is the rear camera. And the back side you have a glossy finish over there. You will get a lot of fingerprints and scratches over there. And on the front you have a 5-inch high definition